Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. My name's Brendan and today we're going to learn the Marionette Extension. Usually I tell you guys other possible names for these moves, but this one's generally known as the Marionette as far as I'm aware. But if you know of any other name for it, let me know in the comments down below. Alright, let's get started, and remember, you've got this. Start by separating the fabrics and then putting a single footlock on your right foot. Keeping the free silk in your left armpit, you're going to bring the fabric around your body and over your leg, and then use your left hand to pull them down to your hips and arch backwards. Your left leg comes on the outside of the silk and then through the middle. Lift your body up, following your left leg all the way through until you're upside down. Hook your leg on the pole end of the fabric and pose. To exit, climb up the silk with your hands, unhook your left leg, follow it through the middle of the silks, then bring your left leg through the middle one more time, kick your footlock off and then come back to a climb. If you guys are enjoying this tutorial, you can help me out by clicking the like button, and if you want to see more videos like this, make sure you subscribe and turn on the bell so you're notified every time I upload. Split the silks and put the footlock on your right side. This next part's quite subtle, but it's important, especially for guys. You need to make sure the fabric's on the left part of your thigh and not getting anything caught before you lean over to the side to put the fabric behind your back. Scoop the silk over your knee and then use your left hand to bring both ends together and push it down to your low back before arching. Left leg comes around the outside of the silk and then through the middle. You can remember which way to go by following your left leg, so lift your body up through the middle of the fabrics, keep coming through until you're turning upside down, and then hook your left leg on the pole end. The final pose looks a lot nicer if you sickle your left foot, which I've clearly forgotten to do here. To exit, climb up the silks with your hands, unhook your left leg and follow it through the middle. Bring your left leg through one more time to come back to your right footlock. Kick it off and then you can come back to a climb. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial on the Marionette Extension. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.